In this video, we're going to find the product of fractions. So all that means is you're going to figure out what the answer is and you're going to multiply two fractions together. Okay, so this is just multiplication of fractions. And it's a pretty straightforward process. If you can multiply and divide, you should be able to do this. So, as we remember in fractions, you have a numerator and a denominator. Okay, your numerator is the top number, your denominator is the bottom number. To multiply fractions, all you have to do is multiply the numerators together. Okay, that's going to be your new numerator. You multiply the denominators together, that's going to be your new denominator. Okay, so as we have here, we have a negative 5 over 4 times 1 over 3. This part can confuse people because of the negative sign. When you multiply, you're only going to want to do negative on one thing, because if this was negative 5 over negative 4, that would be a positive. It would be a negative 5 divided by negative 4. That would be a positive 5 over 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the negative with the 5. Okay, so negative 5 times 1 would be what? Simply negative 5. That's going to be your new numerator. Your denominator is just simply 4 times 3. So what is that? 12? Okay, so negative 5 over 12. All we have to check now is to see if this reduces. Does this simplify? Okay, so is there a number that goes into 5 and 12 to make this fraction more simple? And the answer to that is no, there is not. Okay, because you count by 5s, you do 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, that doesn't go into any of these. So, negative 5 over 12 is your answer for number 1. Pretty simple. Number 2, no negative sign, so this is just even more straightforward. 8 times 7 would be what? 56. Okay, that's going to be over 7 times 10, so it'll be 70. Okay, so is there a number that goes into both of these? What do you think about it? Well, we know the product of 8 and 7 gives you 56, right? So that means you know 7 goes into this number and 8 goes into this number. Well, you have a 7 in both your numerator product and your denominator product. So I know we can divide both of these by 7. So let's do that first, if you want to do that. So 7 times 8 gives you 56. Okay, that's an awful mistake right there. 7 times 8 is going to give you 56. So that'll be 8. 7 times what gives you 70? 7 times 10 gives you 70. So here's our first step in reducing that fraction. But is that as far as we can go? No, we can keep going, because there's a number that goes into both 8 and 10, and that number is 2. So 2 goes into 8 how many times? 4, right? Okay, and how many times does 2 go into 10? 5. So 56 over 70 reduces down to 4/5. That's all you have to do to find the product of multiplying fractions together and simplifying. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Thank you.